Hey guys, Mike from NevAK Mining in Alaska. So, what are we going to do today? Well, today we're going to go over to Delta Junction. We're going to check out one of these food trucks that's over there. The wife's been raving about, says it's really good. So, we're going to take you along for the ride and show you everything on the way over there. A couple pictures of the food and whatnot. Tell you how good it was, and we're going to come on back. So, you guys hang on, because here we go. Hey guys, Mike from NevAK. So, a few things I want to explain to you guys that are not privileged to understand because you're not up here in Alaska. So the first thing is it's not like the lower 48 or where I came from in Nevada, where the snow does slowly melt through the winter, so there's not this huge pileup. Up here, it gets cold enough that once it drops below freezing, there may be one or two times throughout the whole entire winter, it may get warm enough to melt just a little bit for one day, and then it's back to freezing again. 99.9% of the time, it's always below freezing. So when it snows here, guys, it literally just starts with whatever it snowed with, and the accumulation just starts building and building and building and building and building. And it doesn't really do anything until you get toward April, when it starts to do the melt off, or first part of May, and then finally it'll melt off, green up, and everything's back to normal. So when you're up here, there's a lot of things you have to prepare for per season. And you've only got a limited amount of time because, like I said, once it snows, it's here, it's good, it's stuck until it melts off, and everything's froze up. Can't get into anything. You're pretty much just SOL. So with that in mind, because the channel was a lot of mining and some ghost towns and stuff like that, there's not much for ghost towns up here to go check out. There's a couple places I do want to check out, but that's later on down the road. But a lot of it will be like short jaunts to go do certain things, like go to eat at this one place, here or down there, or wherever we may be going to. Or I might take you down fishing. We're going fishing because that's the only time of the year the fish are coming in that we know we can get our limit and get out of there. So it's little things like that you have to kind of do. Also, the other thing that's really kind of important is once it melts off and the snow is gone, and if you're building, you absolutely have to jump on it. The season is really short up here, and so you got to get on it. So, that brings us to the next thing. So, a lot of it, where I was doing a lot of the mining and stuff in the summer, I won't have that opportunity the next couple of years as much. I'll still get out and get some mining done, but nothing like it was before. So a lot of it will change up, and it will be like doing some tree removal out at the property, sawing up some lumber. Hey, we're going to go ahead and knock in the road here. We're going to peel this out or do this here. Or we're going to buy this here and set it up. I mean, it'll be a lot of things like that. So it'll kind of be more like subsistence living, plus some mining, a few trips here and there, going different places. So that's really kind of how the future of the channel's going, just because of the way the weather up here works. So I hope you guys are cool with that. I really don't have much of a choice. Even my buddy up here, Keithy6, he does his videos, and I noticed that he's had to kind of tailor his videos to the seasons and what's going on. So we're going to try to work it that way, and hopefully I can produce some more videos for you guys. It all won't always be on mining. Alright guys, see you later. Bye. guys, Mike with NevAK Mine in Alaska Life. So we finally made it. We're in Delta Junction. We're at our food truck we're going to try out, so this will be pretty cool. Kind of look exciting to it. Right now it's been kind of snowing on and off. Quite a nice little ride, little spooky, little bumpy over this, that, and the other thing. But got to see a lot of things I saw last year when I came in that I haven't seen since, so it was pretty cool. So anyways, we're going to get some food and we'll let you know how good it was. Hey guys, so we just got our food and got a picture of that, so I'll show you that on there. Oh my god, food was seriously worth the trip out here. Both of us are in agreement that the place was just absolutely amazing, worth the trip all the way over. You can catch them here in Delta Junction and also in Fairbanks. They got a truck that runs Fairbanks too, so definitely worth coming to checking out. As for us, it's starting to get a little dark out here. We're gonna head back to the house, so I'll see you guys later.
you next time.